Hey guys, I'm back with one more tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to get an awesome VST bass player. It's pretty epic and solid, as I've been reading all these reviews and watching videos. Now this is gonna be pretty weird, okay, so make sure to watch this whole video, otherwise you're gonna face the same problem that I'm facing, and maybe you won't be able to use that in your computer for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, so the link is in the description. Click it and it will straightly put you in amplesound.com. This is the official website. Now if you're a Mac, you can click here and download it. On Windows, you can click here and download it. For some reason, if it doesn't work, just click here, okay, and or here. Don't click on here, okay. They don't even have a download button. Just ignore this tree. You're gonna waste your time because I've tried it already. So click in here. If that doesn't work, okay, this website doesn't work, so just click in here. Now to download it, you're gonna have to sign in. It's a quick process. Go ahead and sign it. But if you're lucky enough, like I said, if you're being able to download it from here, in my case I was not being able to download it from here, okay, so I had to go here and click create an account and then download it. But if you are being able to, that's good. If not, just sign in and you will be able to download it. Now here's the problem for my computer, okay. When I was trying to download it, this error box showed up, okay, and I thought to not to make this video because I really want to open that plugin and show it up, because I want to try using it first, then let you guys have it. But I think if it doesn't support it on my computer, doesn't mean that it won't support on your computer too. My PC is like 6-7 years old. I have i3 processor. It's really old, guys. It's a potato PC. Seriously, guys, it's a really bad PC. So I'm not even trying to fix this. I'm not gonna bother doing it. But yeah, it may support on a computer. I think it's worth trying out, and luckily they have a demo of video, so I can show you guys how this plugin sounds from here, and you can get the idea of the plugin. It's pretty amazing. I've already checked it out. So yeah, here it is. So that's a pretty demo, a cool demo of that plugin. That is how it's gonna sound, and they have a lot of presets and samples and all the tweaks and knobs and all the cool stuff that a VST plugin should have, and it's absolutely free. Now this website, this is the free software that you're gonna get for Mac and Apple Sound and everything. You can go check it out. Now they have trial version, okay, for paid plugins, so you can use this trial version for 7 days, and you will be able to use it. All the plugins and knobs will be unlocked, and if you're interested, you can go ahead and buy it later. So I think it's worth trying, checking out if you're really onto Ample Sound, because they have really cool plugin. And yep, that's it, guys. I'm sorry I'm not being able to use it. That's not my fault. My computer is potato, like I said. So guess my potato PC is not that potato. Anyways, so when that error box showed up, I clicked cancel. I thought to get rid of the setup box, but actually it was supported on my computer, okay. Get that error box like that, just click cancel, and hopefully it will support on your computer too. So the conclusion is that this plugin works, okay. I'm sorry for earlier. Anyway, so yeah, this is how it sounds, okay. Really sorry again, okay. I was supposed to show that in the beginning of the video, but yeah, yep. Anyway, thank you guys. Please make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm out.